Is this normal for the YouTube Studio app version 22.15.100, open source licenses? All of these things on here, open source licenses, right? Because you go down here to, let's see, I just see one here, where's it at? Mobile data download. Lib phone number underscore iOS. Like, what is this shit? Session fetcher. By the way, this is John Hofer making this video. This is my iPhone 8 Chrome certificate verifier. Oh, look at that. That looks like altered code there. Sure looks like that's code that was being used for nefarious purposes here. That's what it looks like to me. I don't know though. I don't know what this shit is. Cronet. Double conversion. Dynamic annotations. Like, what is this shit? Lib event. Doug Song at monkey.org. See, AppSeal CPP. Why is it doing that? Boring SSL, huh? SSL's boring? This is purely for our own record keeping. Okay, this is for their own record keeping. What are these numbers now? Contributors to Boring SSL are required to follow the CLA rules of Chromium. cladevelopers.google.com/CLAS. Files in third party have their own licenses as described therein. The MIT license for third party Fiat/Fiat, which, unlike other third party directories, is compiled into non-test libraries, is included below. The OpenSSL toolkit stays under a dual license. In example, both conditions of the OpenSSL license in the original SSL EAY license apply to the toolkit. See below for the actual license text. Both licenses are BSD style open source licenses. In case of any license issues related to OpenSSL, please contact OpenSSL-core@openssl.org. The following are Google internal bug numbers where explicit permission from some authors is recorded for use of their work. This is purely for their own for our own record keeping. 27287199, 27287880, 27287883. OpenSSL license, and then here's some altered. Looks like this was added in here to the Cronet Object C licensing. But I didn't agree to this. Okay, this just showed up in here. This product includes cryptographic software written by Eric Young. This product includes software written by Tim Hudson. Here's the original SSL EA license. Looks like that was added in. And I did not agree to this. And it says the word cryptographic can be left out if the routines, I think that's supposed to say routines, from the library being used are not cryptographic related. And there should be an acknowledgement if any of this code is included in here. The code in third party / fiat carries the MIT license. Fiat. Broadly, that is. I see you. I see you. Yeah, I bet you do. Well, you can go fuck yourself. How about that? If you can see me, then you can see this. Fuck you. Fuck you. Eat shit and die. Quit being part of the problem and try to be part of the solution. libtabe Chinese. SourceForge.net/product/customer group _ID equals 1519. iPad IC. Copying libtabe. Tabe project, huh? What the fuck is this shit? I think it's time to take this to the feds. Yeah, I think this device needs to go to the feds. Kanya W Tech / mindmore - Karen - word - lists. Leroy Benjamin Sharon. Time zone database. Database ownership. Time zone database itself is not an IETF contribution or an IETF document. Rather, it's a pre-existing and regularly updated work that is in the public domain and is intended to remain in the public domain. Therefore, BCPs 78, RFC 5378, and 79, RFC 3979 do not apply to the TZ database or contributions that individuals make to it. Should any claims be made and substantiated against the TZ database, the organization that is providing the IANA considerations defined in this RFC under the Memorandum of Understanding with the IETF, currently ICANN, may act in accordance with all competent court orders. No ownership claims will be made by ICANN or the IETF trust on the database or the code. Any person making a contribution to the database or code waives all rights to future claims in that contribution or in the TZ database. And then Google double conversion. Live PNG. Reference library license version 2. This is a lot of code for one thing here. Cronet object C. Looks like Google Inc. is involved in it. Additional IP rights grant patents. High performance base 64 encoder decoder version 1.3-17 March 2006 modp.com. Oh, looks like that's the end of it there. Crunchy crypt, huh? Curl? I'm using Google. Video land load. Look at this shit. This looks like it was also altered. Sponsored in part by the Defense Advanced Research Projects Agency, DARPA, and Air Force Research Laboratory, Air Force Material Command, United States Air Force, under agreement number F39502-99-1-0512. Alright, well, like, share, subscribe.